Dear friends, good morning friends. I welcome all of you. Pappu Khan, to Khushhal India, Khushhal Bharat. I have brought for you a wonderful book named The Path of Endless Life. This book will change your life if you listen and read it from your heart. Here we present to you the first part of The Path of Endless Life, page 1, 2, 3, for introduction of book and talk you 2 things. Page 8. Dear friends, the book you have in your hand today can prove to be a great asset of your life if you read it with the understanding and keep patience in reading it. As the name of this book suggests, it will prove to be a book for you and not a simple book, which will lead you to live an endless life, that is, life of immortality. We ask you, who does not live an endless life? Once, endless life is the life that every man aspires to live. Every man wants me to live forever. You would also want to. But is it possible? Your answer will be no. Because every man knows that one who has taken birth has to die. How many people have come and gone? Cremation grounds and graveyards are full of such people. But there are many people whose bodies must be present today. Is not among us, whose body has been found in the soil, but he has done some such work, due to which we all remember him today. He has written such a history through his work, due to which the world will last, when till the time people remain in the world, they will be remembered. They have attained endless life, that is, immortality. Page 2. Dear friends, this book which is in your hand is the key to attain immortality. This book is related to your success. This book is directly related to your personal success. This book will take you closer to success. It will help a lot to go, and on that will definitely reach you on the pinnacle of success, and on by on you will have the goods of wealth, happiness and all the luxuries in your steps. In a way, this book will prove to be a roadmap for you, like a Google map, which will guide you in this journey. This will help you to know the obstacles, directions and paths that will come in the way. We hope and God, I pray that you do not face much trouble in this journey. The focus in this book is to inculcate values that will not only make decision making easier, but will help you make decisions that magically will take you to the pinnacle of success. Every man's success is in front of every man. Your success is in front of you. To achieve this success, one has to work, and hard work. You have to have patience. This book is your guarantee of success if you prove yourself to be hardworking and believe in action. You will become a leader who looks at it. For that you will become a living example of leadership. We believe that you will be able to achieve your goals. Page 3. You will come out alone, but gradually many people will become your Hamrahi. You just have to stand firm. You don't have to run away from this battlefield of success with your back. This book will prove to be a milestone for those who believe in karma along with taking knowledge. This book is not for those who are lazy in nature, those who are not hardworking. Endless life is not found just like that. You have to work hard, and you will have to do it continuously. You will fall many times. You will have to get up many times. Do not give up at any cost to you. Circumstances may or may not be in your favor. Whenever difficult situations in front of you at that time, this book will give you the strength to fight those situations. When you are broken and your mind will leave the field and run away, then this book will give you the courage to stand in the field. When you will feel that no one in such a big world not going to help you, when you feel that everyone has left you and you feel completely alone, then the book will give you courage and will prove to be your true friend. Dear friends, we have used simple and understandable words in writing this book, so that you can easily understand our point and put it in your subconscious mind. Our aim is to take you to the heights. To such a height that you can write a history and become endless page to enjoy life. Remember, a sculptor hits a rough and untidy stone with his hammer and chisel over and over again, only to find that stone takes the shape of a beautiful idol on which people offer garlands of flowers, which people worship. Is this beautiful sculpture the result of the last injury of the sculptor? No, but it is the result of every injury done before. By reading the pages of this, taking experience from here, you can achieve your life goals to shape the statue of success. Keep getting hurt, your success will be in your footsteps. Only one thing you have to do, keep going, don't stop. The day you stop, you will lose. For your convenience, we have divided this book into 3 parts. In the first part, we have tried to tell you what is endless life. In the second part, we told you why it is important to have endless life. In the third part, we have told how to get endless life. Hope you will like this book. Now I am Pappu Khan, your friend. I pray to God that God bless you. Amen. If you like this video, then share and like it with your friends. If you like my YouTube channel Khushhal India Khushhal Bharat, if you have not subscribed to Khushhal India Khushhal Bharat, then do so that you keep